Hi there, I'm Miriam. Welcome to Miriam's Manor. I would love to share with you what I have learned about my three favorite hobbies: gardening, home decor, and literally everything Christmas. I would also love to hear your tips and learn from you as well. Let's learn together. Good morning and welcome back. Today we are going to be talking about home decor, specifically wall niches. A lot of homes are built with wall niches these days and people love them. Some of the ways I've seen people use their niches is adding shelves, painting it in a two-tone paint pattern, or hanging pictures in them, but they don't really do a lot with the niche itself. So I just wanted to give you and show you a creative way of how I used my space and how it worked with the flow of my home. Take a look. This is what the niche looked like in the beginning. Okay, so this is the after. When we had our home built, one of the first things that we did was add recessed lighting to the top of this niche so that whatever we chose to display would be visible even in the evening hours. The next thing I did was painted the inside of the wall first and then added the stone detail. And this is an Arctic white ledger stone. Ledger stone is awesome and really easy to work with, even if you're a first-time user. There's no grout required. All you need to do is apply your thin set and pop the piece right on in. Even if you're feeling a little hesitant about using a thin set, it even comes pre-mixed for you. So all you have to do is get your trowel, scrape it on, and pop it in place. It's really super simple to use. We use a regular tile saw even to cut through this, so there's not a lot of heavy machinery that you would need to buy to install ledger stone. You can even rent a regular tile saw from Home Depot. So the next thing that we did was encase this. My husband and I have encased a lot of our entryways in our home. We've done those in white, but because my accent color is gray, I decided to go with a darker trim color around my niches. So my husband built an extra shelf that comes out. That gives me a little bit of extra space to store things on through the different decor that I use here. And then added the detail in the bottom, as well as finishing off with crown molding up top. I love, love, love crown molding, so I always add that extra detail at the top. I think that it just adds an extra piece of elegance to the... So for me personally, this is what I wanted to have completed before I even began to decorate. I think that this acts like artwork even for the walls, and it adds so much depth and texture to the space before I even decorate it. So now that we're at this point, now it's time for me to add my bases. And what I wanted to go for was something really long and thin so that it doesn't take away too much from the stone detail in the back. My niches are 5 feet tall, so this was a bit of a challenge to achieve, to have something run the length of this space. But I did that by finding a super long vase with a really skinny neck and then having some tall flowers up above. So let me show you what I've done. Okay, so this is the vase that I chose to go with. My accent colors in my home are blue and yellows and greens right now. And so this is the vase that I used in all 3 of my niches that are in this room. And it really does achieve the look that I was going for. As you can see, with the vase being so skinny in the neck, you can still see the stone detail really nicely through this vase, and it still gives me that long, slender look, taking advantage of the height of this wall niche. So I hope this has inspired you and given you some good ideas of things that you can do even with your own wall niches. And if this video has been useful to you, please like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to click on that bell icon. I'll see you soon.